Shenzhen Flanne Water Purification Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise in China. The plant area is 37,560 square meters, office area, production area, and employee activity area, etc. It's a well-equipped experimental water purification production base in the industry. Passed a series of factory inspections such as ISO 9001, ISO 45001, and ISO 14001. Our factories specialize in water purification industry for more than 10 years. R&D teams are very strong and professional and technical of all kind of water treatment systems that fulfills the needs for top quality products and equipment in the water treatment industry worldwide. Our main products are residential RO systems, commercial and industrial RO systems, pure water systems, and all water treatment components. We are not only a water treatment parts supplier, but also a designer and programmer of medium systems based on customers' needs. Since everything is done in-house, we can provide the best services, quality, and prices for our customers. Due to our rich high technology skills, we are able to research and develop many products. This enables us to have the highest level of technical support and competitive prices. We take this opportunity to express our thanks to all our customers and look forward to providing even higher standards of customer services in the future. You are very welcome to cooperate with us on OEM or ODM basis.